Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Gaurav Aswani, and today I'm going to talk about the negotiation skills you must have. So let's get started. So the first skill which you must have is do not negotiate. Ask yourself: is your product is good enough? Is your product going to provide value to the customers? And do you have belief in your product? If you have that belief and you know the value you are going to provide is worth it, then do not negotiate. Stick to the price and sell your product. The second skill is focus on value, not on price. So whenever a customer tries to drag you into the conversation where you have to negotiate the price, and customer tell you about that the price is so high, the product is not worth the price, then you know you have the confidence about your product and the value your product going to provide. So try to drag the conversation towards the value, not on the price. So when you will talk about the value you are going to provide on that price, then you will win the battle and the customer will buy your product. Third, the last person to speak wins the battle of selling. Correct, guys. So just in case if you have a customer who's trying to negotiate the price and you know the customer is going to provide you the benefits in the longer run, what you can do, you can offer. I know you don't have to negotiate, but in some cases you have to negotiate. So just in case if you have to negotiate on your product price, then what you can do, you can reduce the price little bit and stay quiet. Do not bargain anymore, do not negotiate anymore on the price, because you know and the customer also know the value you are going to provide in your product. So stick to that price and sell your product. Fourth, stand for your product. Right. If you know the effort you have put in, the hard work you have put in to create that product, to create that service, and you are going to provide to your customer, and it is value for money, then do not reduce the price. Just in case you received a client who is trying to negotiate with you for the price, just for the sake of respect, you reduce the price little bit and you offer the price. For just an example, the product is 25,000, you offer a product at 23,000, then you stay quiet and he is asking again and again. Do not reduce the price, because customer know the value you are going to provide is worth it, and at the end of the moment, at the end of the time, he'll buy your product if you stick to your price and stand for your product. Fifth, I'm with you approach. This is one of my favorite, because in this skill we do not disrespect the client, we do not fight with the clients, we show empathy to them and we stand for our product. Just in case if you receive a customer who says this is corona pandemic, we don't have money and we are facing lot of issues, so what we can do, we can show sympathy to them. We will say that yes, we do understand the problem you are facing, but what if I tell you about our product? If you buy our product or service, it is going to enhance your life, it will give you the skills which is going to help you earn money in future, and you won't be facing these problems again in your life. Then the customer will buy your product. He will understand the situation he is going through and the solution you are providing. So why not? He will buy your product. So this is it. I hope you liked this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you have liked and what skill is your favorite. I'm waiting for your response. Till then, see you next time.